Hey friends, if you wish to turn off or on airplane mode in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So right now airplane mode is on, and if I wish to turn it off, then I will go to the system tray and I will switch it off. As soon as I switch off the airplane mode, other apps will start initiating. So as you can see, the Bluetooth will connect and then the Wi-Fi will connect, but it needs a while. It will not happen immediately. It will need like 5 to 6 seconds. And to turn it on again, you can just turn this icon on. But it may or may not be here in this system tray. So here's what you can do: search for airplane mode in the Windows search bar and go to airplane mode, which takes you to system settings, and you find the switch to turn it on or turn it off accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.